first you must know the definition of the molecule. So a molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by strong chemical forces of attraction, that is chemical bonds. The example here I given is hydrogen H2. This hydrogen molecule is made up of two atoms to form and one hydrogen molecule. Classification of molecules. Two types, and that is two types of molecules, that is classification: homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. Homoatomic means same, that is this molecule is made up of similar kinds of atoms. Example: oxygen O2 and ozone O3. This presence of two, it is also named as homodiatomic molecule. Same way, ozone O3, it can also named as homotriatomic molecule. Heteroatomic molecule. So in this, the molecule contains atoms of different element. Okay, atoms of different element. Example: hydrogen chloride, HCl, that is hydrogen was different element and chloride was, that is the chlorine is different element, combined to form hydrogen chloride. Same way, water, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. So it is also a different. So this HCl can be written as heterodiatomic molecule because one molecule of hydrogen and one molecule of chlorine is involved in the formation. So we can name it as heterodiatomic molecule. And H2O, here it is named as, that is the water can be named as heterotriatomic molecule because two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen is involved in the formation of water. So it is named as heterotriatomic molecule. Next, atomicity. The number of atoms present in a molecule is known as atomicity. This was an important 2-mark question. And classification of molecules based on the atomicity. So if the molecule contains 1, then it is known as monoatomic. If the molecule contains 2, then it is known as diatomic. It contains 3, then it is known as triatomic. More than 3, it can be named as polyatomic. Relative molecular mass, or MM. So the ratio between the mass of one molecule of the substance to 1/12th mass of an atom carbon is called relative molecular mass. This can be written as RMM is equal to mass of a molecule by 1/12th mass of the carbon 12 atoms. Now you are going to see the difference between the atoms and molecule. So atom, the smallest particle of an element. Molecule, the smallest particle of an element or compound. So atom does not exist in free state, but molecule exists in free state. Atoms are highly reactive except the noble gas. Molecules are less reactive. It does not have chemical bonds. Atoms in a molecule are held by the chemical bonds, and this last point of molecule is the definition of the molecule. Thank you students for listening the class.